Now, this is mathematics, and the topic we are dealing with today is further maths because mathematics and further mathematics they are interrelated because mathematics is mathematics. So now, root of quadratic equation. I know in general mathematics you have done quadratic equation, and you know that we have four types of quadratic equation: factorization method, quadratic formula method, complete square method, and graphical method. Those are five types of a quadratic equation. Then I would like to prove the quadratic formula using complete the square method. So, you know, the quadratic equation is in form of ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Now, and a, a, b, and c are what? Are constants. Constants. Now, you know, when we have a quadratic equation like this, because I want to eliminate these two, I will divide all two by 2 by 2. You know, this one will give us just the 2 will be cancelled. In that case now, we are going to use it for the proving, which means you divide everything here by a. That is a x squared over a plus bx over a plus c over a equal to 0. You can see this cancels this now. We have x squared plus bx over a plus c over a, everything equal to 0. Let's collect the like times. Let's bring the one that contains x in one side and the one that doesn't contain x in one side, which means we have x squared plus bx over a equal to minus c over a. Now, we have method of complete square method. What must be added to this to make it a perfect square? When you have 2x squared plus 5x plus 1, this middle one that contains x, divide the coefficients by 2 and square it. When we have 5 here now, 5 is attached to this x, it means that 5 is what? Coefficient of x here. You divide 5 by 2 and you square it. If you have 6, we divide it by 2, that's 6 divided by 2 square. If you have 1 over 2, it will be 1 over 2 divided by 2 square. Likewise, this one now, you know the coefficient of x here is b over a, because bx over a, because b over a times x, it means that b over a is our coefficient of x there. So it means that b over a divided by 2 square, b over a divided by 2 square, because b over a b over a is our coefficient. Then we now do justice to this one now. You know, b over a divided by 2 over 1 square. That is a b over a. You know this division sign. You change the what? Multiplication. That's this one go up 1 over 2 square. That's b times 1 b. A times 2 2a square. Which means we add b over 2a square to both sides. 2 over b over 2a square to both sides. B over 2a square to both sides. We now have it this way: x squared plus bx over a plus b over 2a square this power 2 equal to minus c over a plus b over 2a square 2a square. Now, where you are now, just take x here. You know we have x raised to power 2. X raised to power 2 mean x and z, but just take one. The sign we have here is plus. You write it here. If it's negative, you write it here. But because of plus, we write plus. Then forget about this square. Just write b over 2a. What you have here inside the bracket, b over 2a. Do like this, everything square equal to minus c over a plus b over 2a square. Now, we will try to simplify some things, solve something there. This is x plus b over 2a square equal to, you know, this one is minus c over a. B square means plus b square, and 2a square is 2a times 2a. 2 times 2, 4. A times a square, which means 4a square. 4a square. 4a square. Now, 4a square. X plus b over 2a square will now give us, we find the LCM of this. The LCM of this is 4a square. How many a can we see here? Let me tell you how to do it. You know, 4a squared means 4 times a times a. Divide this by a, it means that's 4a. 4a times minus c, that's a minus 4ac. How many 4a square here? You can see this one. 1 times this, that will be plus b square. Plus b square. Now, the next thing in mathematics, you observe and do what will make your work easier. You know, this one you can make it like this. That's b square minus 4ac over 4a square. Now, we want to remove this raised power 2, which means we remove the bracket. It will be x plus b over 2a equal to square root of b square minus 4ac over 4a square. And which x plus b over 2a equal to, you know, square root is plus or minus. You have plus or minus b square minus 4ac over square root of 4a square. X plus b over 2a equal to plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. Everything, square root of 4 is 2. Square root of a square is a. Then we try to bring this one. X will now be equal to minus b over 2a plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Find the SM. Our SM is x will now be equal to 2a minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. You can see that we have been able to prove quadratic formula by using complete the square method. But this is not where we are going. As a further math student, you need to know how to prove, because in some questions in WAEC or NECO, they will ask you so that, prove that. So in that case, you need proving. That's why I prove it for you. And you know that now you can solve using this one to solve complete square method or quadratic formula method. But we start from where we stop. You can see, um, let's alpha be equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, and beta be equal to minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now, we want to, and let's d be equal to b square minus 4ac. Then alpha plus beta now will now be equal to, our alpha is this, minus b plus root d over 2a plus minus b minus root b square minus 4ac, everything over 2a. Our alpha plus beta now will give us 2a, because SM of this is here. So how many 2a here is 1? 1 times this will give us this thing back. That's minus b plus root d. How many 2a here? The same thing. That's 1. That's minus b minus root d. You can see now that roots alpha plus beta now will now be equal to this, count this. We have minus b over 2a. That's minus 2b over 2a. This count this. Our this thing will now be equal to minus b over a, which means alpha plus beta is minus b over a. Also, let's find the the product of alpha beta. Alpha beta. The alpha beta now is let's as we done here, let's keep this one. So we have alpha beta now means alpha times beta, which means we have minus b plus uh, root d over 2a multiplied by minus b minus root d over 2a. Minus b times minus b, that will give us, or that will give us minus abi plus b square, because minus times minus plus b times b square. And this one again times this, it give us plus b root d. So, and this one also will give us uh this times this, we got this times this, we got this, and this times this will give us minus b root d. Root d times root minus root d, that's minus d. And don't forget that root in under sword, root 2 times root 2 is equal to 2. Root 5 multiplied by root 5 is equal to 5. So that's why we have root d times minus root d will give us minus d. Everything over 2a times 2a, that's 4a squared. Then this count this, we now have b squared minus d over 4a squared. 4a squared. You can see now that uh this is the same thing as b squared minus, our d is what? Our d is b squared minus 4ac everything over 4a squared. Then come b squared now minus b squared plus 4ac everything over 4a squared. This count this, we have 4ac over 4a squared. Can see this count this, our answer will be what? C over a, which means alpha beta is what? C over a. C over a. Then with this, the next class we are going to discuss, we are going to solve enough questions under this topic using alpha plus beta and alpha beta. And before I call it a day here, root of equation, in case you want to write jam or post jam, we have something like this: alpha alpha is like, alpha minus plus beta is equal to minus b over a. Alpha beta is equal to c over a. So then another thing very important, if you have root like this, it's like minus alpha x minus beta. So this is how the quadratic equation is always in form. It's always like that. We have x times x, we have x squared. X times this, we have minus xb minus x alpha plus alpha beta. You know, x squared, what is common here? Minus x, that's alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. So which means you can use this formula to find the root of quadratic equation, especially when you're given in some form. So on this note, next class we solve more questions that relate to this topic. Follow me, like me, and share it.